Can I come in? Hello? They've not woken up yet, I guess. Roomie! Wakey wakey! As much as I would like seeing your sweet, sleepy face, you need to eat, so wake up, dummy. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. Whoa, calm down. I let you sleep because it's a Sunday and you absolutely needed a good long rest. Your head hurts? Yeah, you were a little hungover last night. I'll give you medicines after you have your food. Is everything okay? Oh, you're feeling fuzzy? I get it. I mean, not that I've been drunk before, but I think feeling fuzzy is normal. Okay, so let me run through last night quickly. You returned home looking absolutely awful, and you had this wound. You couldn't even stand properly, let alone walk. Your friends dropped you to the door, then I cleaned you up, changed your clothes, and then put you to sleep. On that note, I think I should be changing the bandage. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, I'll do the dressing. You say what you were going to say. Yes, Roomie, I changed your clothes. More like helped you change them. Wait, does that mean you don't remember that we... nothing. No, nothing, seriously. Okay, I'm saying if you want to hear it so badly, we kissed. Yes. Oh my god, chill out, dummy. Look at that face. I was messing with you. So sorry. I had to prank you a little. Okay, but seriously, go and wash your face. I'll bring the food. You must be hungry. What's there for food? Nothing special. Go now and hopefully try to recall things. Yeah, this was the best I could do. As far as I know, you're not supposed to eat spicy food during this wound healing process. So I made this chicken soup with some breadsticks and some sliced up fruits. Have it, or should I feed you? Okay, start eating now. You like it? Well, that was lucky. I don't really know what's your favorite, so I just trusted my instincts, considering pizza would not be healthy to eat right now. Did I eat? No, not yet. I was thinking about eating with you in bed. Also, I had to do the laundry, so I didn't have time to eat. Whoa, you are the sick one here, not me. I can handle a few hours without food, especially if I get to eat it with you in your bed. Seriously though, both of us are so busy with college, work and studies that we hardly spend time with each other. I didn't want to force you to tell last night, but I really do want to know how all of this happened. You remember about that, right? Yes. See, I know we have never been close enough to talk about our personal lives, but, never mind. It's fine. You don't need to say if you don't want to. You do? I really don't want to force you, though. You trust me? Oh, thank you so much, okay? Thank you so much. Yes, go on then. Yeah, your friends picked you up. Guy's called Brian, right? Yeah, and what's the girl's name? Liz, yes. Brian and Liz. Yes. What? Wait, so you're telling me that after having some drinks, when you went outside to get your phone, which you had left in the car, your ex came to talk to you? Where did she even appear from? How come was she at the party? Oh, God. Well, what happened after that? Was she drunk? Of course she was. Huh? What? What? She started shouting, cursing you, calling you names. When you thought it was going to stop there, she suddenly pushed you so hard that you fell to the road. No wonder you had such a big wound. She has to be so fucking drunk for doing that. I cannot believe this. What kind of pathetic psycho is she? I want to strangle her to death right now. What was the name again? Cassandra, yes, fucking bitch. And your friends? What the hell were they doing? They came looking for you, but she was already gone by then. Of course. Then you immediately came home? I see. Why didn't they clean you up though? Like something at least. Water would have worked too. You didn't let them do it, huh? And forced to drop you off at home? I hope that I took care of you well enough. This is all my fault, I'm sorry. Yes, it is. I was the one who kept forcing you to go to the party. I didn't know your ex was there. I thought after your breakup, like less than a week ago, you needed to have some fun to chill out. Your friends wanted you to be there too. I didn't have any idea that she would be lingering near you. I'm so sorry. If I knew this was going to happen, I would never have asked you to go. Can I hug you, please? Thank you. I'm so sorry, okay? You don't deserve this at all. You're not done with your soup yet. Give me all heated up. Oh yes, you need to have that protein, dummy. Can I ask you something? Would you like to go to a place tonight with me? I promise it won't take up much of your time. Date? No, you wish, huh? No, it's not a date, okay? I kind of blame myself for this situation of yours, so consider this as an apology, okay? Please, it's not a date, I swear. It's not a date, hello? Yeah, so, are you gonna come? Please? Yes? Thank you so much. It's a surprise, dummy. You'll know where. I'll see you at 8:30 then. Be ready.